In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a file in Lovable. Whether you're new to Lovable or just need a quick refresher, we'll guide you through it step by step to ensure you can easily save and access your projects. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Lovable's website. This is your starting point for creating, editing, and saving any projects you have in the platform. Once you've navigated to their site, you'll want to locate the option to create a new project. This is simple to do. You have two main choices. Click on plus new project or opt for create with AI if that suits your needs better. Now, if you're working on an existing project instead, no worries, just find your project's name or thumbnail and click on it to open. As you dive into your masterpiece, you might wonder how to ensure that all your hard work doesn't disappear. The wonderful aspect of using Lovable is its auto-save feature. This handy tool automatically saves your work as you go along, sparing you from the fear of sudden data loss, so you can focus on the creative process without any interruptions. However, when you're ready to export or download your file, there are just a few more steps to follow. Start by clicking on the link icon, usually located in an easy-to-find spot on your project interface. This will begin the process of preparing your file for export. Next, click on the Attach option. This action will trigger the download process. Typically, your file will download to your computer as a .zip or .json file. These formats are standard for containing all of the data you need to work on your project offline or to share it with collaborators who might not have immediate access to Lovable. And there you have it. You've successfully saved and exported your file from Lovable, ready to share or store safely on your device. By understanding these straightforward steps, you'll become more efficient and confident in handling your projects within Lovable. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you use these steps, the more intuitive they'll become. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these instructions help you manage your projects smoothly from start to finish. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video.